Why are you doing that now? We are going to Serere. This is the road to Serere. You sat yesterday with our team and you agreed you're going to let us go to Serere. We're supposed to go to Serere. Why are you doing this now? We don't have time and we're supposed to campaign in Serere. Why are you blocking us now?
With them, that gentleman was there.
DPC Western Division, I was in the meeting when we sat. We agreed that beginning leaving Soroti, we are going through Oderai, Omodoi, and Ochokchan. Then our way coming back, we are coming through Asuret. You have sat in your own meeting and you've altered our route. You are lying and you're not being honest.
According to Electoral Commission, we are supposed to campaign in those areas. Why is the police stopping us from campaigning in those areas? We have not done anything wrong. Allow us to go on the campaign. You